national educator.
Hello learner, welcome to Physics Secondary Revision Lesson 6. The topic we are going to look into today is Hooke's Law. And in a physics exam, you need to try and understand the situation by reading the question, organize the information, sketch the scene, verify units, and carefully consider the formulas. So those are the steps that you need to be taking every time you read a physics question. So let's go straight to question number 1. This question reads, states Hooke's law. Now, remember this question has got only 1 mark. And then it requires you to state. So what is it to state? To state means you have to give a factual information about Hooke's law. The other one is what is elastic limit of a spring. So in this case, we are talking of some limit, and we are talking about a spring. So, and then you are told to state what, meaning a brief idea about the elastic limit of a spring. You are also asked to state the SI units of a spring constant. So let's see how to tackle question 1, part 1, or part A. As I've told you, you need to understand the problem or the nature of the problem, and that is stating Hooke's law. Hooke's law is written and established, and it is printed somewhere. So it has to be produced the way it is, with the correct wordings and correct terminologies. There are conditions and there are variables which are being compared in that question. So we have to state it the way it is. And that means just stating will give us 1 mark. So of course, we know it is linked to the topic Hooke's law. Actually, Hooke's law is about the whole topic. That is what is discussed in a topic. So you have to give the factual statement about Hooke's law, the way it is stated. So as I've told you, all physics questions involving laws connects more than 2 variables. So you must understand which variables are included in that law. You must also ask yourself another question: what are the conditions in a law? Because all laws will have a condition for them to be fulfilled. So, in Hooke's law, the variables are force, extension, and then a condition is elastic limit. So, you bring all those together to form what is called Hooke's law. Now, if you are required to state the SI unit of a spring constant, you need to know that SI units of any quantity in physics is showing a relationship between variables in a formula. So can you think of a formula that would bring what is called a spring constant? If you know that formula, then you can use the values or the variables in that formula to derive the SI units